In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop travel in Costco Online 2026. We'll move from the Costco homepage all the way through selecting flights, a hotel, and transportation, so you can confidently plan a complete trip. If you're a Costco member, have your membership ready for the booking stage, though you can browse freely before that. Start by going to the Costco wholesale website. On the homepage, look toward the top navigation, especially on the right side, where you'll see the travel option. Click Travel to open the Costco Travel site. Here, you'll choose a category that fits your plans: vacation packages, hotels, cruises, or rental cars. Vacation packages are great if you want everything bundled. Hotels, cruises, and cars let you focus on a single component. Within your chosen category, you can specify what you want included. For example, select Packages, then choose to add a flight so your airfare is part of the bundle. Now fill in the details to tailor your search. Enter your destination first. Set your departure date and your return date, aiming for flexible dates if you can, since shifting by a day or two can sometimes unlock better pricing. Indicate how many rooms you'll need, then add how many guests are traveling so the system can show accurate availability and rates. Next, enter where you're flying from. Pick your flight class, such as economy or business, depending on your preferences and budget. When everything looks right, click Search. You'll see available packages that match your inputs. Browse the options and select a package that you like. Then click View Details and Customize to refine it further. Start by choosing your departure flight. Compare departure times, layovers, and total travel time to find the best fit. Click Continue when you're satisfied. Next, select your return flight with the same considerations in mind, and click Continue again. Use the Review Flight screen to double-check dates, times, and airports before you proceed, since small changes here can affect pricing and connections. Now continue to the hotel section. This is where you'll pick your property and room type, review inclusions like breakfast or resort credits, and look at location details so you're close to the sites you care about. After confirming the hotel, continue to transportation. Here you can choose rental cars or other transportation options included with your package, aligning pickup and drop-off with your flight times. That's it. By following this path, you've used Costco's online tools to build a cohesive trip from flights to hotel and transportation, all in one streamlined experience.